Now let's solve another question. So I have a two question. The first question is like write a Python program to interchange first and the last element in a list. So you can see this is my list. List is L, and what is the output I want? I want to interchange the first and the last element in a list. Means our output should be like whatever the first and last element, right? That should be interchange. Means my output should be, this is my list. So what is the last element? That is a 5, right? What is the first element? 1. So this should be output. This is my input, and I had to interchange the first and the last element, and this should be our output. So that is a question. How actually we can do? That is my first question. Second question is like write a Python program to swap two element in a given list. So what you have to do? You have to swap this 3 with 4. Like the 4 value will come here, 3 value will come here. So that like that you have to swap two element in a list that we are going to solve. So let's start with the interchange the first and last element. So how actually you can access the first elements? If I write L0, I'll get the first element, that is a L0, right? What is the last element? How actually you will find out? L minus 1. If I'll do L minus 1 means 5. That is the last element, right? This is how actually uh, we can access the first and the last element. Now what I will do, L0 L minus 1 equal to the L minus 1 comma L0, and if I'll print L, you can see it got swapped. So what actually I am doing, whatever the L0 value is there, that's becoming L minus 1. Whatever the L minus 1 last value is there, that is becoming the first value. So like that actually we can do a swapping. So what I am doing, whatever the first value is there, that replace with the last element. Whatever the last element is there, that replace with the first element. And if you will print the L, you will get the output. So like that actually we can interchange the first and the last element. Similarly here, if you had to swap two element, how actually you can do that? In this case, what you have to do, we have to swap with the 3 with the 4, 4 with the 3. Now first thing you have to find out what is the index of this 3 and the 4. So if I'll write L dot index, and if I'll write 3, so what is the index of this 3? That is a 2. So remember that that is a 2. So what I will write L2. Now what is the index of the 4? If I'll check, the index of the 4 is 3, right? So that is a 3, L3. Now we had to interchange both, right? I had to interchange 3 with 4, 4 with the 3. So what I will write, L2 L3 equal to the L3 L3 L2 L2. Like that if I'll write, and if I'll exit L, you can see I had to execute first this list and then this. You can see 1, 2, then 3 should come, right? But we are getting 4 and then 3 and then 5. This 3 and 4 got exchanged because we are using this logic. So like that if you can swap two element in a given list. I hope you got the idea.